Flag and country. Every day is Independence Day. The Republic of Suriname is a country located on the South American continent and celebrates its Independence Day on November 25th. The flag colors include a horizontal triband of green representing hope and fertility. Red represents progress and love. White represents peace and justice. The large yellow star centered on the flag represents the unity of all ethnic groups in the country. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For new videos, click the bell notification icon and follow us on social media. Flag and country. Every day is Independence Day.